Okay.
Right, so let's just actually close that and let's bring up the main display. There we go. So June 2013. Let's go through the others. They can
So when
just
you started streaming.
I've started stream.
Oh, okay.
Just double check it to make sure it all works. Always check by checking in incognito.
Yeah.
Yep, I'm currently streaming at 720p, since that's the least amount of impact on the network.
Okay, cool.
Right,
Oh
so
yeah, there it is, live now. Okay.
yeah, I wonder if anyone would actually comment on this if they're watching it live. So what is meant by an interrupt? How did you actually do on your papers that you did today, or hadn't you marked them yet?
I haven't marked them. I don't mark them anymore, there's not enough time. So I just go through them. Anyway, okay, explain what is meant by an interrupt. An interrupt is a signal which is sent to the processor to request processor time. I think could be the answer. Do you have anything to add?
So you said
It's a signal sent to the processor to request processor time, depending on the urgency of the interrupt, the order of importance. You can't hear my mum shouting, can you?
I can, yes.
Okay, 1 second.
So signal. Alright, let's have a look at what the Markscheme says. Hello.
Hello.
Alright. We are just on the first question, so you joined just in time. Have you got anything to add to what is meant by an interrupt?
Interrupt the signal sent to the processor.
Hello, okay, I'm back.
Right.
Told her to be quiet. Very respectfully, of course. Okay. So I said signal sent to the processor to request processor time, depending on the order of importance of the interrupt. Well, I think for 2 marks that'd be a bit excessive.
Yeah, but then they might actually. So explain what it is. So they might actually want a exam. No, wait, that's in the next one. Give one example. Just have a look.
Explain what it is. I think would be the signal sent to the processor to request processor time. I think that'd be 2 marks.
Let's have a look.
But I put the base ordinance.
So okay, you can just say interrupt. You can.
Yeah.
What is meant by an interrupt? It's an interrupt.
As long as you don't say message, you can either say signal or interrupt. I always say signal though as well. I was taught.
Oh yeah, can you hear me okay? Yeah.
Yeah,
Yep.
I can hear you.
Okay.
Allows important times to be processed. Presidents. Oh, see, look, it's always good to add like an extra mark, like presidents.
Yeah, just in case.
I just need to take my food out the oven. I'm going to quickly say my 2 things: power failure and clock interrupt.
So.
Okay. Yeah, wait.
Can you think of anything else? An example?
Power intro.
I think
Input outputs.
input outputs.
Yep.
Yeah, and I'll probably just think printer buffer. Yeah, so 2 type and then explain the need to. Yeah, so let's have a look. So 2 forms, so power failure, input or output interrupt, a clock interrupt, a software interrupt, and that's it. Not hardware unless explanation or example, not timer.
Is there a difference between a timer and clock interrupt?
What?
Is there a difference between timer and clock interrupt?
They just want you to say clock as it is a clock, because a timer could just be a stopwatch type thing.
Oh, okay.
But then a clock, that is actually the clock itself.
Hey,
Okay.
so I've actually got my food. I just put on some toast. Okay, that's what I was like. Woohoo!
Yes.
Isn't there meant to be a No, sorry, that's scheduling. Okay, don't worry.
What are you thinking of?
I think for scheduling, there's an answer for called system of priorities.
Yeah, I think that's like if you say explain the need for.
Yeah.
So,
Okay.
what do you think for explain the need for interrupts to have priorities?
Interrupts. That's so that
The
to improve efficiency of the processor.
So those urgent one can be processed first.
Yeah. Some so some
sensitive urgency.
you could say some interrupts. Some tasks are more important than others, such as power failure. That would be like an example. Obviously, power failure is a top dog.
Yeah,
How long does it take toast to cook in the toaster?
2 minutes.
Okay, cool.
it depends
Sorry,
what
that was
setting
a
you've got it
very
on.
random question.
It depends
Yeah,
what setting you've got it on though.
We can it's on medium. Okay, no. Okay, we've added 2 points. We should probably add a third just in
I
case.
think requires user response maybe.
So you could
Really?
say like I don't know. I think this was the scheduling, but you could say to ensure fair share of jobs or fair.
Make sure the processor is as busy as possible.
Yeah, I think that's to do with
December.
efficiency, though, isn't it?
Efficiency. Right?
Oh, proficiency. Isn't that efficiency, though? Efficiency of processor.
Might be.
So anyway, let's just look at the answers.
Uh,
So in 30 seconds, I'll go ahead and
Wait, I
get my
forgot
toast.
did I forget to enable scrolling?
Wait, did they actually offer benefit of doubt stacks? I've never seen. Did they offer every carried forward? Never seen that.
Yeah,
Never seen them give a benefit of doubt.
So
Oh, got that.
means so to decide between interrupt or current task,
Yeah.
choose which interrupt to process if two or more occur together. To ensure most urgent task is performed first, so we would have got that there.
Oh, so we would have got 2 marks.
Yeah.
Barely though. Jeez, I hate this marks game. It's such. Because like the first points, they always ask you to do like kind of things you don't think of because it's so basic. Like just saying. But, okay, I'm gonna be back in a bit. My toast will probably be done.
So segmentation may be used in memory management. Describe segmentation.
They are fixed size. No, they're not. Page is fixed size. Segment is
No, I thought segment is fixed.
segment is fixed.
Pages they fit in, so they can be different sizes.
Okay.
For
No, I saw page is fixed. Well, we'll see.
segmentation, so the program is set to fit. Oh wait, yeah, maybe. I'll just put a question mark there.
Okay. And they contain the logical decisions.
Yeah, they do.
Yeah.
Let's see, so it's 2 marks, so 2 points. Can we think of anything more? Describe segmentation, so it would be... They probably want you to say what it is, so it can be a storage of data... a way to store data within memory, maybe?
Yeah, way to store, yeah. Oh my god, I love donuts.
Yeah, let's have a look then. Way of partitioning memory, that's what they wanted instead of a way to store data.
Yeah, it's not fixed.
Not fixed. Alright, so not fixed. Segments are logical divisions, so we've got that, which hold complete sections of programs. Yeah, so if you just remember, segments are not fixed, segments are logical divisions, that will get you the 2 marks. But then if you want to include something more, you would say a way of partition memory.
Okay. Purpose.
Alright, so state the purpose of virtual memory. Oh yeah, that's where it allows programs to run that.
When there's not enough memory.
Yeah, when they need more memory than is available. To allow programs to run when there is insufficient memory available, must be purpose, not instruction.
See, the memory is a RAM, yeah?
Yeah.
So you could just say it allow program to run when there's insufficient RAM available?
Yeah, I don't think so, because they might prefer just saying memory.
Just memory, okay.
Now describe how it's used. So, what do you think for this question?
How is it used?
Yeah, how is virtual memory used?
Is it something to do with use secondary storage device as its main memory?
Yeah, so a secondary storage device would probably be the hard drive.
Yep.
I was going to put hard HDD. And you probably say, you might include something about segmentation, about maybe pages actually, use of pages.
Oh, okay. Does it use segment as well? Or just
I think it uses pages, but I think that in the Markscheme they do actually say something. You can include use of pages as well, use of segmentation as well, but that's in the guidance bit.
just say page in case?
So it's 3 marks. Let's see, so
Just keep like switching back between the virtual memory and real memory.
yes. But then the next question's on about explain one problem.
Or okay.
So that's where you'll talk about the disk freshen.
It's not trashing.
It's disk freshen.
Okay.
So describe how virtual memory is used, secondary storage, use of paging. What else?
Just keep moving, so it's like the page is keep moving between the storage device and
Keeps
the memory.
moving. Processor. Although that's the instruction more.
Is it? Okay.
Because the instruction is moving moving pages to the processor to the memory. I was going to put that down then, so processor and memory. Because this is describe how it is used. So I guess they might want something like this. Let's have a look at what they said in the Markscheme. Use of back-end store, like as if it were main memory for temporary storage. Uses pages or fixed size units. Pages are moved from memory to back-end store.
Yeah, very good.
So that's the keywords they want, which is back-end store. To make space in memory for the pages needed. Is that it?
Yeah, that's it. Is it? Yeah.
Yep. That's a free marker. So use of back and store as if it were main memory. Uses pages. Pages are moved from memory to back and store. So the keyword is back and store.
Hello?
Hello.
Yeah. Cod was not cooked correctly, so I put it back in. How far have you got?
We are just on describe virtual memory. Now we're on explain one problem which may occur while using virtual memory.
Well, just pressing.
Yeah, and then you've got to explain.
That's when it runs out of memory, doesn't it? Or it has too much disk access.
It is more when the processor is spending more time
Switching
transporting. What's the word they want?
Isn't that
Moving.
speed mismatch? Isn't that speed mismatch?
Yeah, you could probably just say speed mismatch as well.
This computer may hang.
Yeah.
Yeah, that sounds familiar.
Spill it all in.
Yeah, so what I was saying was processor spends more time like moving pages. Let's see what the Markscheme says then. So it's a 2 marker, so you're gonna have to say like disk version, then give
No.
like, say what it is. So let's have a look. So disk version or high rate of disk access.
Yeah, I was right.
More time spent transferring. That's what they need. Transferring pages than processing. Computer may hang.
So what have you said? Disk freshing and then computer may hang. So those are two different bullet points. Would they get you?
Yeah, that would probably get you 2 marks. Yeah.
Mm. Oh yeah, because the one's the problem and then one's a consequence.
Yeah. So next thing, different types of translators may be used by the programmers. Explain the main purpose of translators. So it's 2 marker.
It's to turn source code into object code. Is it?
Yeah.
I think.
Yeah, transfer source code to object.
But what
No,
else would they
machine
want?
code. It's not
Um,
machine code, is it?
was that assembler?
Oh, okay.
I don't know.
So that the
Use
programmer can understand it.
main purpose. Then you might just say like so it can be executed by the program. Oh, I just started up. I've completely lost my chain of thought then. Just go. So it can be executed.
Wait, what translators again? So that's the next question. 2 types.
There is the 2 types, which is the compiler and interpreter.
Oh, okay.
Those are the 2
That kind of
types.
things, yeah.
Well, there are 3.
Oh, if it's compiler
that's
and
not-
interpreter, then it's just to translate instruction code into instructions. And I don't know. I guess we'll see in a minute.
Things like one instruction to one machine code instruction or something. Let's have a look. Converts from source code or high-level language code to low-level to object code, intermediate code, or executable code or machine. So that's all they want.
Oh, that's just those 2.
That's 2 marks. Only need 1 bullet point.
This
Yeah.
paper's like, I don't know a lot about this F453, but this paper so far has got the things I do know.
Oh, we've got a viewer in the stream.
Hey, that's actually me. No, it's not.
I know there's someone named. I'm really sorry if I pronounced it wrong, but Janak.
Let's see.
Janak. He says disk compression is a high rate of disk access for more time transferring pages than doing actual processing. So that's what he said.
So he is very far behind the industry.
Yeah, because of the
This must be
delay.
very delayed, yeah. On another note, my COD is done, so I'll be back in a bit.
Alright. So give us do a new.
Yep.
So two types. So there's the compiler, and then there's the interpreter.
And there's assembler.
They only,
Assembler.
yeah, there's an
Yeah.
assembler as well, but they just want two types of translators. So let's put assembler in the middle. So what can we think of for these? So give the name, then explain the main differences. So compiler is one code as a unit.
And it gives all the error at the very end as a list.
Errors report at end. And interpreter is one line at a time.
Yeah, and report error ASAP.
You report errors as they occur. So what would be the assembler? What would you say the main difference for an assembler? You say it produces assembler language?
Yeah, it uses like low level language.
Let's separate this a bit more. Oh, do that. Use low level. Is this? Yeah, this is delayed. He just said, is it delayed? 1921. And he says the time.
Okay.
Alright, so currently the time now is exactly that time. So we can see that in the time, see how delayed it is.
Can you not change it from YouTube?
No, it's because it's the delay to the YouTube servers, then they've got to encode it.
Why don't we just use Twitch?
That I do have it. There was another thing, but I prefer doing it straight to YouTube at the moment, just because limited editing for me. Another services that I use is Hitbox, since they've got like a delay of like 3 seconds.
Okay. I think you should have delay of like 3 minutes.
And it's actually normal delay is about a minute, so.
Okay. Oh, I love students.
Alright, so should we have a look at the answer?
Yeah.
Yeah, just a minute, Jacka. I can't even pronounce that name. So compiler, interpreter, or assembler. So an assembler is one of them.
Mm-hmm.
So compiler, interpreter, compiler translates whole program as a unit. So yeah, that must be whole code then. Ooh. Yeah, am I not on pen? So that's whole code. To intermediate language, gives compilers a list of errors at the end of compilation, so reports errors at end. Intermediate interpreter reports errors as they are found, so as they occur. Yes. Intermediate translates them one statement at a time, so one line at a time. But they probably do want one line.
No. Okay.
Genak. He's done it. He's like commented in things saying Genak with the little line, that line in between. So he's done it like that. That's apparently how he say his name.
Jack. Just call him Jack. Hello, Jack.
Yeah. Alright, so compilers or interpreters use high-level source code. Assembler uses low-level source code. Assembler gives a list of errors at end.
Okay.
Is that it? Yes. So if I just get back up to that so you can see it. So if anyone's watching this, they can either pause the video and take notes if they want to.
So assembler and interpreter, no, assembler and compiler both report errors at the very end.
No, they said the compiler gives lists, so they just like group these together. So compiler, interpreter, then compilers or interpreter or assembler. Compilers and interpreters use high-level source code. Assemblers use low-level source code. So this bit here where you said uses low-level language, that would have got you the mark.
Okay.
Right. So describe the code generation phase of translation. Your answer should include references to optimization. So code generation, the optimization is where the
Code is as efficient as possible.
yeah, so made, I put code. And that'd be just to use the processor, so just do efficient, code made efficient as possible when using processor. Or just for processor actually. What else would we say for this? So code generation.
It's the last stage.
Oh no, you'll probably say something about.
Hello.
Hello, yes.
Hey.
You'll probably say first thing you probably actually have to mention is that it takes output from what's it go? Syntax, is it?
Syntax, yeah, analysis.
And then the next, so something else you say. The thing is, it's so it reduces the instructions or something. Removes complex instructions with simpler ones, or just reduces the number of instructions.
Question you all.
B. Describe the code phase of a translate. So code generation phase of translation. Your answer should include reference to optimization. So reduce number of instructions. Well, yeah, number of instructions.
So that's 3 marks.
Yeah, that'll probably be 3 marks. So what will get us the other 3 marks, do you reckon? What else can we think of?
It produces a machine code, does it? Yes.
Yeah.
Translation. So it's produced machine code at the very end.
Right, so we have a look at the answer, or have we got some more things to add?
Well, that's all from me.
Alright, let's have a look at the answer then. So code generation occurs after syntax analysis, or you could say the last phase of compilation. Produces machine code, program or executable code or intermediate code, which is equivalent to the source program. Variables or constants are given addresses. Related addresses are calculated. And the bit that you'll have to talk about optimization would be makes code as efficient as possible. So we did say code made efficient as possible. Increases processor speed. So that's what we meant to say about processor. Number of instructions is reduced. And programmer can choose between speed and size.
See, I never got these, like, so, because usually we do a bullet point a mark, don't we?
Yeah.
So does that mean you can get 4 marks for the optimization?
Maybe.
Or is it limited?
It doesn't actually say anything about the guidance saying must be like 50. So yeah, you could probably actually do that. Is there anything more or no? Let's have a look. No. Describe how the contents of the memory address register and the memory data register change during the fetch execute cycle. So how does the contents of the MAR and MDR change during the fetch execute cycle?
The address is copied from PC to MAR.
Yeah.
From PC to MAR, yeah.
And the data or instructions is copied to MDR.
So the
address of the instruction.
The address?
No, because the memory data register holds the data part.
Yeah. So that's data is copied.
No, because you're doing the memory address register to the memory data register, aren't you?
Data of instruction from the address.
It doesn't matter, I know.
To MDR. What else? So that's probably maybe 3 marks. PC. Would you mention something about PC increment or no? Do you reckon?
It doesn't really have to do with the. You might as well. There's no harm in it.
Just put down what you know, but don't try and ramble on.
Doesn't the MDR decrement, or is that by CIR?
I don't think the MAR or MDR decrements or anything. I think you might be thinking of if there's a pointer, it decreases.
Yeah. The data's removed, yeah. That's all I can think of, at least.
Yeah,
Let's
see
have a
for
look.
this question, if you give 7 points and then you get 1 point wrong, do you still get 4 marks?
Yeah.
Okay.
You just need to basically get what the bullet point says. Doesn't matter how many points you put.
Right. My sister's just brought me in some cherry pie,
How lovely.
but no cream.
Oh, jeez, what stuff.
Okay. 1, 2.
I hope that the Skype call can't hear me eating. I don't know if I eat that loudly, but I do hope so.
Alright, so let's have a look at the answer, yeah?
Yeah.
See what else we needed to include. MAR receives address of instruction or data from PC.
Yep.
Holds address of data or the instruction to be used. Receives the operand part of instruction from the CIR. So that's what we didn't include. So MDR receives an instruction from the memory location in MAR.
So that's 2 marks.
Yep. And receives data from memory. We said that. Yeah. So receives an instruction from memory location in MAR. Receives data or instruction from memory location in address part of the instruction or accumulator. Yeah, we probably may have got about 4 marks for that then.
Not too bad, I guess.
Right. How are you with the different types of processor?
Well, I guess.
So compare the coprocessor and parallel processor system. This is 4 marks, so you probably have to say the coprocessor. So I'm just gonna go copro. Sounds like GoPro, but then power, like power drones. So coprocessor is an additional processor. What else should we say about the coprocessor?
They both contain more than one processor.
Yeah.
What was that?
Both contain more than one processor.
Aren't they both used in mathematical equations?
I don't think so, no.
Okay. Why was parallel processor used in?
No, I'm thinking of VoIP. I know it requires a complex operating system.
Job can be complete faster.
Think so, yeah. This is for a specific task. I wonder if they want you to give an example of each.
Maybe, yeah, probably.
So, what would be an example for coprocessor?
Isn't that the floating point accelerator?
Yes, well, accelerator. But then you can just go maths coprocessor. I know parallel is a multiple instruction.
So that's like web.
Oh yeah, and coprocessor is single instruction, multiple data.
Oh yes, no actually. Parallel in that simmed?
No, I do think parallel is multiple. Wait.
No, it's single instruction, multiple data. So that's what sim stands for.
Yeah.
Single instruction, multiple data.
Okay, now I think coprocessors
Processor working together to perform. Oh, so they wanted you to a better comparison. So they're similarities and then differences. That's what they wanted. So they're both more than one processor. They work together to perform a single job. The job is split into tasks. Processors are controlled by a single operating system. The job is completed more quickly. Else the additional different is that parallel processors can use any processor for a task.
Yep.
Coprocessor performs a specific type of task only, so floating point arithmetic. So job is only need a more complex operating system, or they are harder to program. Parallel processors are synchronized.
Yeah. Oh, I'm so full. Oh, binary.
Yes. How are you
Okay.
converting binary to denary?
As long as one sec. So as long as yeah, that I think it was 2012. Like 6 bits for the mantissa, 6 bits for the exponent. Like normalizing doesn't come up, then it should be fun.
Yeah, don't think I'm actually that good at converting denary to binary.
Really?
Yeah, because in the latest exam I was just a bit confused. I got the mantissa right though, but not the exponent.
Yeah. What exam was that?
The most recent one which I did, which was January, actually, maybe June 2011. I did. I'll quickly check. Right, so state which of the following binary numbers are written correctly in the format described. So, 4 bits for the mantissa, 4 bits for exponent.
X and Z. X and Y. Yeah, the X and Z.
X and Z.
Because Y is not normalized.
Oh yeah. Did not notice that. I didn't even read the question that much.
Okay, I'm just going to quickly go get something. I'll be back in a minute,
Right.
moment.
So that is X and Z. Alright, normalize. First 2 bits of the mantissa are different. Right, so what was the most recent one which well, let's have a look. Jan 2011. State the rest of this question. You must show your working and use the floating point binary form already described. So 4 bits for mantissa, 4 bits for exponent. Convert this binary number to denary. Right. So let's do. I'm not even writing, am I? No, I am, but it's extremely small. -1, half, quarter, and eighth. And then exponent is -8, 4, 2, 1. So it's 0, 1, so we know it's going to be a positive number.
Hello.
Right. Are you having a go at this as well, or?
Yeah, you move the decimal to 3 to the right.
I'm doing it the other
He
method.
does it
I keep forgetting that.
To be honest, it's kind of sad. I was never even taught your method.
Yeah.
You taught art though, Matt.
He did mention it a bit, but not that much.
Fair enough. The other method is pretty easy, to be honest. Unless you make a mistake.
Yes. Let's have a look then. So have you got all your answers? Have you got your answers?
Yep.
Yep.
Let's have a look. So exponent represents 3, yep, and value is 5. Except different method. So the Markscheme just has your method, but
it's like, remember, I think I saw that. And this was. Do you remember I kept on saying how sometimes I didn't see that method appear? In the past, I've said that.
yeah.
Yeah, I think it was through this paper, but I never noticed they said accept different methods.
Yeah, except different method of working.
Okay, perfect. I'm going to start using that method now.
So convert the denary number. Yeah, so we know it's a positive number. So it goes.
It's 1.1.
Yeah, 1.5. So it's going to
And
half.
just minus it.
Is it -8?
Yeah, it's in 2's complement, isn't
Oh
it?
yeah. 'Cause in the on the top of it, it says both in 2's complementary binary. So it's going to be 0, 0, 0, 1, and half. So there we go. It's going to need to include that as well. Now, we're going to have. Do you reckon we're going to have to normalize it as well?
No, it's just 0, 1, 1, 0. Wait, let me do it on the paper first.
Because if we normalize it, then it's going to be plus
Wait, I
1.
think you've done
So that's 0, 1.
what have you done?
When representing 1.5.
Yeah, well, I don't understand that. Half.
I got 0, 1, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1.
Yeah, so it's. Yeah, because it's. Yeah, you've normalized it then, so the bits that you'll need. So 4 bits for exponents, so that's going to be the new.
Yeah, that's a little bit,
So
yeah.
0, 1, 1, 0. And the dot is moving 1 space, so I think the
Yeah.
dot is meant to be like here, so it moves 1 there.
So you have to move back 1.
I don't need times 2, so when I say 4, 2, 1, so it's going to be 0, 0, 0, 1.
No, yeah.
One binding. Yep, that is the correct binding value.
Oh, that's easy.
I can't remember what was it that I was trying to represent then. I think it was because the question did the wrong method before, so that might have been what I messed up on.
What question?
On one of the past papers that I did last time.
Was it the one with 6-bit Mantisso and exponent?
No, it was just when you had to represent. I think it was actually like 12 or something in
Oh, okay.
the 4-bit exponent or so.
Yeah.
So I was just like, what should I do? Oh, another conversion, -6. So when it's going to be the -8, 4, 2, 1, then half, quarter, 1/8, 16th. So that's going to be 0, 0, 0, 0. Convert the January number -6, so it's going to be a minus number, so it's going to be -8. And then just go a
1,
0.
0, 1, 0.
No, yeah, 1. Yeah, I was thinking of. Wait, no.
No, it's
No,
1,
no.
0, 1, 0.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, was. Yeah, I was thinking of -2 then, for some reason. Alright, so let's see if that is. Then we've got to normalize it as well, so it's going to be 0, 1, isn't it? So that's going to have to move 1, 2, 3, 4. 0, 1, 1, 1. Try. I keep getting you don't need the times 2. So, -8.
0, 1, 1.
Okay,
Yes, believe it's that.
Is it?
Think so. Okay, for some reason.
I just put it on the paper again.
What?
I'm going to just do it. 1, 0, 1.
Let's have a look then. See if this
Okay, yeah.
is 1, 0.
Yeah, I got it right. Woo.
1. Oh yeah, because it's negative. Damn it! It needs to be. What did I do?
Wait a
Yeah,
minute,
I
sorry,
messed
can
up.
I-
I messed up there.
Hey, let me just have an attempt on this. That's
So
fine.
that's meant to be 0. That's meant to be a 0. I read it as 1. Damn it.
Alright.
Yeah, because it's negative, so it starts with 1, 0. So 1, 0, 1, 0. And then the exponent
Wait, what?
is meant to be that.
0, 0.
Oh yeah, 1 0 1 0. That's what you did.
Yeah, but
Oh,
I
4.
accidentally read the number under 4 as a 1 for some reason. Stupid me.
You should say sharp. Okay, you don't get the joke.
Nope.
Wait a minute.
Wait, so if it's 1, 0, it's a negative number. If it's 0, 1, it's a positive.
Yeah.
Okay.
That's the
Hey,
format.
You know how the mantissa is 1 0 1 0 dot, and then you move it backwards 3 spaces. How
Yeah.
come the exponent isn't? Oh, mine. Oh yeah,
Yeah,
of course. Sorry.
Yeah,
Yeah,
so
yeah. I
that's
think I always
positive.
got that wrong. Personally.
That's positive 3.
Oh, good. My room is so damn hot. Oh, it's like a freaking sauna.
I've got my window open, fan on.
Yeah, I'm gonna open my. Well, I would turn my fan on, but then you guys are just here. And here would be like my fan off here.
I don't even have a fan.
My window
Well, I
really.
have fans, not a fan.
Ah, can you hear that?
Nope.
Oh, really? Oh.
Can you hear my fan? And it's on the highest setting.
Oh, all the time. It's just so annoying. Let me just open the window. Back of it.
Right, so yeah, I really need to start reading it a bit better. I could not understand that, so yeah.
Okay.
Right, so 5AI serial search.
Oh,
Oh, we've got to explain it. Used to find the word tulip in the list. So, what can we remember? What a
Okay.
serial
Serial
search
is when you choose a value.
is. So the search value is tulip.
So you choose a bluebell.
Are you
That's,
think? No, you're
that's the one
thinking
you're
of.
searching for.
Yes, tulip is what you're searching for.
Yes, you choose bluebell.
Yep. So choose bluebell.
And then compare it to the value next to it, which in this case would be daisy.
No, don't you just do. Choose you
not compare it.
compare
with-
to tulip.
Yeah.
Then if it's not, you move on to the next one.
No, you compare to daisy, and then move on to the next one that is not tulip, until tulip is found.
Yeah, but you.
It doesn't go straight to tulip.
No, because what you do, so tulip is a search item. You compare each one in turn.
No, tulip is the one you're trying to find. So it's
Yeah,
not
and
so-
you need to compare the.
yeah. So you choose bluebell, compare it to daisy in turn, until tulip is found, and then compare daisy to heather, then heather to pansy, etc., until tulip is found.
No, you've got to do the search item, and you've got to compare the search item tulip with the item there. Because if you compare bluebell with daisy, what's the search value?
Nothing, so you'll move on and they'll compare daisy and heather. Just look at them last year. Take a bet.
Start at bluebell, compare each item in turn with tulip.
Yeah. See?
What?
Oh wait, what you meant like with tulip? I meant
Yeah.
no. I meant when I said it, I meant bluebell and daisy is not tulip. So then you compare daisy and heather, but it was a miscommunication.
It's meant to be you compare each item in turn. You don't group them together. You do,
Oh.
is tulip bluebell? No. Is daisy tulip?
Oh,
No.
okay.
Is heather tulip? No.
I thought you compare bluebell daisy and say is that tulip? No.
No, you
Daisy
don't.
and heather is that tulip? No.
Yeah, that isn't any type of sorting.
And what's the other one? Other one?
Binary search.
No, because you're comparing each type. Okay, yeah, no.
Accept a simple
What
diagram,
I
but answer
said
must
was
relate.
kind of the same. It was the same.
It was kind of the same, but it wouldn't get you the marks, really.
Yeah. Well, I would have started the bluebell, so I would have got 1 mark.
Yeah.
I said I would have compared it with the item. I don't know. I don't
Yeah,
know.
because do you remember what the binary search is, though?
That's the one where you choose a pivot and discard half the list each time.
Yeah.
Until it is found.
Yeah, but
What about
it only
insertion
works.
sort? I actually don't know what insertion sort.
Insertion sort is you create a new file, and you read the first value, you insert it into the new file, get the next
So
value.
you just insert it all in order.
Yeah.
Fair enough.
Something that you should remember. What is so? Explain one disadvantage of a serial search compared with a binary search.
Disadvantage of serial search is slower
Yeah, so it's
because each item has to be compared in turn, whereas with the binary search, it discards half the list each time.
yeah, so generally slower, faster for binary, especially large sets of data.
As all data was checked.
Binary search halves the list each time. Oh, so nothing about discarding for binary.
Yeah,
But-
binary
Yeah, it
half
says-
the list.
Yeah, but don't say it discards loads.
Halves and discards are the same.
Oh, well.
Okay.
Merging
it
of
means the
these.
same thing, half and discards. Anyway,
Yes, so let's move on.
wait, what? Am I wrong? I don't know.
No, you're right. I was
Okay.
just thinking my mind's just melted.
I was like, are they laughing at me? Am I an idiot? Anyway, yeah, let's move on.
Alright, so give
Okay.
the result of the merging the following data types P and Q.
So that's just alphabetical order.
Yeah, so it'd be apple, banana, grape,
Grape,
Grapes.
pineapple,
pear.
pear. Yeah, pear. Oh, so there's two pairs. So
So
there's
you only
only
do
one
one.
pair.
one pair.
To get rid of data inconsistency. What? Wait, or was it data
Data duplication.
Yeah, but damn it.
Data,
that's one thing
data
that's wrong.
inconsistency is where 2 bits of data, but it changes. So that'd be
Yeah.
a flat file database. Disadvantage. Data
Well, data
duplication.
duplication.
Well, data inconsistency, as say if you have one value which is true, so
Yeah.
is alive true.
Then you change it and you have a second file, then that'll do.
Yeah.
So what's data? The first thing I said. I've forgotten now.
That's what I
Anyway.
done. So
Let's move on.
then banana,
Apple, banana,
Banana.
grape.
grape.
There's only going to be one pair.
Just try and make sure we get our alphabets right here, guys.
Yes.
Don't look like an idiot.
Pineapple.
Pineapple.
Oh, well, I just realised I completely forgot that I actually have a knitted thing which has the alphabet on.
I have a. Yeah. Wait, let me mute.
There's actually melon there. Melon becomes before P. Then raspberry. Let's see then. So
Okay,
apple,
okay.
banana, grape, melon, pear, pineapple, raspberry. Yep.
Yeah.
What's berry cat?
What?
No.
What? Oh, good old algorithm. Oh no, I hate these ones because these are the proper big ones. Okay,
When
I
algorithm
remember.
to
There are 8
merge
marks.
any two sorted lists, stating any assumptions you make.
I
So
remember the beginning of these. It always starts with open or create data type or
Yeah,
new
open-
file.
Open files, create new
Open
files.
files.
there's like
Okay.
repeat this repeat a list.
So it's an if is repeated is inside the if loop.
Oh look, there's two people on the thing. I am here.
No, 3 people actually.
Oh yeah.
Oh, that's their peak concurrency.
The calm creeper.
Yeah, he is. Well, he isn't actually a sixth former, so I'm not really sure why
Oh.
he's watching.
Oh, do you know him?
Yeah.
Oh, fair enough.
Let's see.
You don't
So
have to check it. Check the file if it's not empty.
No, that's with queues and stacks.
yeah, you.
Or,
Yeah, that's
This
if
is
you
not
want to
merging.
remove data from
Yeah.
a stack or queue.
Indeed, really.
You'll be repeating the comparison bit.
compare the first item.
Yeah, so comparison first. What
Oh,
would I
the
do there?
assumption. I remember the assumption would be all common keys or something like primary. Yeah, all common keys. I think.
Maybe, yeah. So the comparison first item. Let's actually clean that up a bit. Should we just reveal the answer?
Yeah.
We don't have enough space. I think.
No, not really. Oh yeah, I remember they wanted it to be in like a suit.
Oh
You
wait,
can
it says. Oh yeah.
use a pointers.
Yeah, you have to
Yeah.
check it.
Yeah, so open existing file. Create new file. Oh yeah, you need to check it. Existing
Yeah.
files are not empty because don't really want to merge two empty files. No data. Use pointers. Repeat the compare records indicated by pointer. If records are different, then copy earlier values. So yeah, this would take a while. Must open and close files.
Do you know what you'd get the marks for? Oh, okay, here it is.
yeah, I didn't scroll down enough. So, open and closing the files. Use pointers for comparison. Compare data and copy to new file. Move pointer. Correctly handling the duplications. Correct condition to end loop. Copy rest of remaining file. Check file contain data. So check files that contain data, then assume common key. So you're right on that.
Yeah.
Removal of duplicates. Assume same sort of order or common sort.
So how many marks do you think we would have got there?
Well,
we had open and closing
finish.
files.
we didn't say anything about closing,
We
so
had to open. Oh, we had to open it. That's half a point. Joking.
we may have only got
Okay.
about 2 marks.
One of them was mine. Oh yes. I'm joking. Okay, well we know where our weak point is.
That's,
So I just can't do algorithm.
how are you with how are you two with UML?
Bad.
I'm actually right now. I did a lot of research today for it. It's one thing I actually learned.
Oh, this isn't actually drawing it. This is actually just describing. Damn it. So explain the term class, deprived class, inheritance, and encapsulation using examples from the garden center.
This is the 8 mark, is it?
Yeah, this is an 8 marker.
Yeah.
So I know a class is a instance of an object. This is a class. Inheritance is when it just...
No, an object is an instance for class, isn't it? That's why object diagrams are an instance of class diagrams.
Is it?
I think I'm quite sure. Leave it anyway, leave it. Can't hurt.
Then,
So there's superclass. Inside the superclass is
the
derived class?
attributes from superclass.
Attributes from.
Attributes and operations.
So, Zenak has asked, what does common keys mean? So that would just be...
It's basically that they share Don't even know. I just remembered it from a Markscheme once, to be honest.
Common key, so a common probably just be like another way of saying common way of sorting it, maybe.
It's not.
Uh,
It's not to do with primary key or anything, is it?
don't know.
I don't remember what class is defined as, to be honest. But I'm fine with encapsulation and inheritance.
I think object is actually an instance of class.
By the way, derived class.
No, I think is common key not something like two data are the same, so you can't have a number compare with a character value. You can't like.
Oh yeah, because they have to be the same data type for them to merge.
I think
Yeah.
It should be.
Yeah, so common key might just be to do with data type then.
Yeah.
Because ASCII.
They will never ask you what's a common key. Then.
Yeah.
You just write it down.
And a derived class is the attributes and operations from superclass. You need to put and operations.
They're under the subclass.
What?
Oh, you have to give examples as well.
Yeah. Using examples from this guidance center. So, example.
Should listen to this. Okay, there we go.
Okay, so
you can say plant would have all the
class
operations.
is product. So
derived class is like set class, is it?
Pardon?
What's derived class? Set class, right?
Direct class?
No, derived.
This one.
Yeah, that's the one where it inherited all its attributes and.
Yeah, but there's a separate thing
for
inheritance.
Inheritance is different. So inheritance is different.
Should we just go to the Markscheme?
Yeah.
Let's see. So.
Does this go well?
Points may include. Oh, no points are included. So, class a template for a set of objects. So, yeah, I was thinking of a object is an instance of a class. But the example product has price, so that'd be a class.
Yeah.
Derived class.
Derived.
A class that has all attributes and operations. So yeah, that needs to be there. You have superclass and may also have attributes and operations of its own.
Yeah.
An example would be plant has. So plant here would have the price and set price from product, and also have variety and find variety.
So product can't access variety from plant?
No, yeah, they cannot. They're not backwards things. So tools cannot then inherit things from plant because it is not beneath it.
Okay.
Tools and plant can only inherit stuff from product. Product cannot inherit things from plant, as the only way they could actually, only way things can be inherited if it's beneath it also.
Part of its superclass, basically.
Alright.
So inheritance, can you say that word?
A
Derived class inherits all the attributes and operations from its superclass.
At least I hope it's derived.
Derived, yeah, I think it is.
Yeah.
Shown by the arrows on the diagram, so that is the inheritance way. So plant and tools inherit things from product.
Yeah.
So plant inherits product code from product. And encapsulation Data hiding. Data can only be accessed using operations or methods defined for the class.
Yeah.
Maintains data integrity. An example would be price can only be changed using set price. So we probably got maybe 1 mark.
Whoa! A star, here we come!
And this was an 8 marker, so...
Yeah. Oh, well, at least we have declarative, so. Oh,
Well, I never
spoilers.
come up.
Declarative always comes up. These are like the safe ones now, because we understand them.
Yeah, encapsulation. I think I did mention that in the video. I don't know. Might have
I
done.
think. Do you know what I missed? Do you know what I noticed you missed out on your videos? You
What?
never went over the sorting algorithms, like binary sort, quick sort.
Oh yeah.
Just noticed that.
Did I? No,
Yeah, no.
I did go over some sorting.
Really?
I think I did.
Did you? Watched every one of your videos.
There was a video on sorting.
I watched all the questions though, and I never saw any sorting algorithm questions. Anyway, doesn't matter now. Sorry. Okay, give the name of this high-level language. That's declarative. I've been saying that right.
Declarative.
Declarative.
Declarative. Oh, declarative they wanted.
Declarative.
So, give one example of a rule from the statements.
That's P eats PQ if mouse P and food Q.
Yeah, that'd be the rule.
Yeah.
Oh, can you...
The way to identify these, if it says like, because it says Fluffy is a mouse.
So that's
That is a fact.
That's a fact. Yeah. That's a
Yeah, so
fact.
these are all facts. But
And
then
then-
this is a rule,
Oh, that's a rule.
And then you
and
can
this
tell
is a
an-
goal. Because of the
Yeah.
question mark.
Yeah, and you can tell what initialization by if it's equal to something. So it's like setting something.
Yeah, is that-
value.
Any more?
Okay, you've gone past it.
I know. Show the steps required to find one solution.
Oh, I hate these kind of questions.
Oh, this is-
I never know how to structure my answer.
Oh yeah, I think I know this.
So explain it.
So you go set x as p.
So set equals p. Ooh.
Yeah, and then you find mouse p.
Find
So p. So p is Fluffy.
then.
And
Wait, what?
find q, is it? Find q, food q.
Yes. So. I think this is maybe right.
Should we get this? So find
Find food.
q, which is q is same as y, so q equals cheese.
Well, I was just.
q equals food, okay.
There's a cheese.
And then so that means x is Fluffy and y is cheese.
Before I should let you know, I have no idea how we've come to this conclusion.
Y is cheese.
Cheese.
Yeah. Because y is q. No, y is q. Q is food q and also food cheese.
Let's see if you are correct. Do you want it to add anything else?
Well, that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That's 6 marks. That's 6 points.
They probably want it to be something about. Fine. You probably want to do like a bit of backtracking as well, maybe.
No, that's the next part.
Yeah.
Oh yeah,
Skip
after
is
solution.
the next step.
So I just gave away the answer to that one. Oh well. At least we were thinking along the same kind of line for it. So let's see. Attempt to solve mouse. So they wanted you to say attempt.
X.
Find x equals
Oh.
Fluffy.
Do you notice this is CAO, which means correct answer only. So if you have anything covered in what they've stated exactly, you won't get the answer. Mark.
Yeah, it's got to be not. So you've got to do attempt to
Oh,
solve.
so that means I only got 1 mark. The very last bit. The solution is x equals Fluffy, y equals cheese.
I think they might have actually wanted you to say a solution is.
solution.
So they may have
Oh
been
my
extremely
God.
stretched. So that'd be absolutely no marks.
This is correct answer only. Which means it literally has to exactly be what that is.
So if I change the P to X and then Q to Y, I get the full marks.
Yeah,
And
Yeah.
X equals fluffy.
Get 2 marks. No, you get 1 mark. No, you still get none.
yeah, they don't mention anything about Q or
Yeah.
P.
Could you no, but even though it was true that you got screwed over because Markscheme is correct answer only, but how did you get to that solution? Could you explain it to me? I don't really understand it. Your thought
Yeah, see for
process.
the very last bit, it says eats
Yeah,
X and Y.
yeah.
And then so above it is eat P and Q. So X equals P and Y equals Q.
Okay.
And then it says most P. So P have to be like anything inside the brackets.
Wait, could you
that-
go up a bit, Matt?
Oh yeah.
Okay,
So
so
that would be most fluffy, most jelly, most snowball.
yeah,
And then food Q, which is there's only cheese.
yeah.
So that will be eats PQ, which is eats fluffy cheese, and which is fluffy is X, and then cheese is Y.
Oh, okay. Did you have to choose fluffy for X?
Well, that's the first option.
Okay. Yeah, yeah. Okay.
So if you finish, that's the first solution, and then if you go back,
Yeah, yeah. Then I'll be backtracking. You'll choose like cherry cheese. Yeah.
Yeah, and the
And
next
then
one, another solution for eat. That'd be backtracking.
backtracking. Yeah.
Backtracking. Yeah.
State why in this example Fluffy does not eat biscuits.
Because biscuits are not on the food. It's on the cheese.
It's not fact.
It's not fact. Oh yeah. See, damn these.
It's the same. It's not.
Yeah, yeah. I'm really surprised they did the correct answer only for the algorithm. I thought they'd be a bit more lenient, you know?
Yeah, that's a bit harsh.
Yeah, a bunch of dicks. Okay, that is a binary tree.
That is wrong.
Yes.
Woohoo! Sorry.
By traversing this data structure, give the reversal Polish form of the expression.
Okay, it's
It's
pretty easy.
that's P
Oh wow!
Q
Hold on.
plus RS
P
multiply
plus
minus
S multiply minus.
minus. Now, to anyone who's watching who doesn't understand, I don't know how these guys do it. What
I
I do
will.
is that at plus, I do a 90. I do a straight line in the right direction.
You do it like that then.
Yeah, and then you do the. Well, you don't do it so big.
Oh, you do it.
You do it like no. That's what. What have you done?
Aye. Wait, there we go.
To do a small line from each one, going to a right. Yeah, like that. No, don't go so damn far. Okay, just go. Just do it. Continue with the others.
What do you mean?
So do it with the others. Do it with the others. Do arrows with the others. Just don't go so damn far. There's no need to be so down. Yeah, that's yeah. Okay, you don't need to do arrowheads. Just do a line. Yeah.
Okay, I'll raise the arrows.
No, is that what you do?
I'm just replacing it,
Okay.
and then just an arrow there.
Now, yeah.
Oh,
Oh my
line.
god, that was so long. And you should do them from like plus. So the plus should be with the arrow. The line. Anyway. So what you do is you traverse it clockwise. I mean anti-clockwise. So you go from
What?
minus towards P.
I'm so confused.
I prefer it during my uncle.
Just speed up.
Wait, no, just let me explain it. This is good. We're just giving them the options here, okay? 'Cause this is what we're all about. Okay, so do the line, like on P, do a short line in the right direction, as you said. From P, touching P, please. And now do it from Q. Please just do it a relatively short line. There we go, that's good. Okay, now plus, and then do it for the everything. Do it for the plus, minus, multiply, R. Okay, the reason it's this way is because it's post-traversal. But if it was pre-traversal, you do it the left direction straight. And if it's in fix, you do it downwards straight. Okay, so now begin to transverse your way as you normally would. So into anti-clockwise directions. You know, you transverse down.
So do you want me to do this?
Yeah. Yeah.
Yeah, so I just do
we
it
go
this
down.
way.
So yes, so no, complete it. Like completely go around into traversal. Don't do it. Don't finish an arrow at any point. Completely go around. Yeah, like that. So any point that the straight line to the right crosses your traversal, you add it to the thingy, basically. You see? So if you follow it, because you didn't really complete it well, but if no offense, but if you
Yeah.
follow it, it will pass the P first, then it'll pass the Q,
Look at where the gaps are.
then it'll then it'll cross, intersect the
right.
plus, then it'll intersect the R, then it'll intersect the S, then the multiply, then the minus. And if you were doing pre-post order, you would
Oh, yeah,
simply go straight to the left.
That
And if
is
you're
interesting.
doing infix, it's straight downwards. And it's whatever crosses it first. When you always do it in the anti-clockwise kind of traversal where you go around like that.
Okay, so if it's reversed, you do.
So that's my method at least. That's my method at least.
I prefer my method since this goes round the outside.
Round the outside. Wait, mine goes round the outside.
Mine goes more round the outside.
Mine goes round the outside if you complete the diagram and don't just do random blocks of yellow lines.
Yeah. Right, let's move on.
Okay, yeah.
State another type of did structure.
I hope that makes sense to people watching.
Yeah, hopefully. If not, just watch the videos. State another type. So what would be the other type? There's the...
Pre-order. Oh, maybe used to... Oh, stacks.
Stacks.
So that's the answer. Oh yeah, I forgot to reveal it. Stack, yeah.
Stack.
Oh yeah, isn't that what you're not too sure on when you're using a stack for binary tree?
Oh, no, I think I'm alright on it now. Fairly alright, at least.
Wait.
These questions I'm a bit unsure on, but...
So...
Let me have an attempt. That's what this is all about, boys.
Plus 3.
So I'm just going to write this down just so I got it as a note.
Round the outside, round the outside.
Then stack is just 2. Then times by 4. Which will give us 8.
Shh, I'm not finished yet.
I will wait until you finish then, because it's just one more step I got to do.
I got 13.
And then just plus 5.
Yeah.
Okay, so you just.
My method is infinitely better, because I watched a guy do it. And cried. I'm joking. So,
So this is W, this is an X, so that is that bit there.
yeah.
Then the gold, what a then that is just the times 4 bit.
Yeah.
So times by Y.
Yep.
And then the plus 2 is just down.
So,
Well, wait, why did I put 2 down there? That's meant to be a Z. That's not a 2, that's a Z. That is a Z. So that gets done down here.
Yeah.
Well, not there. There.
I did it differently, but I wouldn't be able to show you how I did it. I could if we screen share. I don't know, would that work? Actually, no, I don't have any application. I could do it on Paint. Does anyone want to see my method?
no.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay then.
Let's see what method they use. So answer is 13.
Yeah, that's the same as yours.
Yeah, is that your method where you just use the brackets or
No, they said. Wait, it doesn't have to be that method, does it?
no?
Equivalent. Yeah. I use stacks.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, they didn't ask you to do stacks for this though.
Yeah, but you can. They didn't ask you to do any method.
Convert each of the following infix Oh yeah, this is one where I mentioned it to you on Skype.
Oh yeah.
Future.
Okay, so that would be
And be
A, B,
AB
AB
plus.
C multiply.
Yes, I believe so. That doesn't look an A. There we go. Becomes AB plus C, then times, or cab plus times.
Just revealed the second answer, but okay. Oh, wait, no, that's the first. Yeah, no, it's the
Yeah.
second.
That's still the first one.
No, it's the second.
No, it's still the first one. Is it? No.
Yeah, that is the first one.
No, it's I, but
Oh yeah, it
was-
revealed the next answer, didn't it? Damn it.
yeah.
No,
Oh, well.
that's the first one.
No, but then below is because 4 marks, and these are 2 marks each.
Yeah, but that's only 2 bullet points, so that's 2 marks.
Yeah, this is 4 in total, so yeah. That
Yeah.
is the next one
Wait.
below.
I'm
Damn it.
confused.
They're just pretty much both the same. Then,
Yeah.
are they?
No,
No, wait,
that's different. No, that's only for the first one.
Yeah, this is only for the first one. 'Cause I just noticed the bracket things. It's just saying this
Yeah.
is relevant to that one. So it's on the next page. Oh, phew, I didn't give it away.
Oh, wait, yeah, you didn't give away
because
I.
if you just got A, B
No, I didn't give
plus,
away
you
this
don't
one
get
yet.
one.
I have not given away this one yet.
Oh.
This answer
No, you
here.
had to, because the first one's 2 marks.
No,
Oh,
this
okay,
this
yeah,
goes
yeah,
down
yeah,
onto the
yeah,
next
yeah.
page.
No, I understand.
Alright,
Okay.
so A plus B. What?
A plus B multiplied, so that will be
It just A B. It's just the same thing over again, or
that should be B, C multiply A plus.
For the first one, did you get AB plus C star? Yeah, you did.
Yeah.
Cool.
or you could have got cab plus square.
Okay. Now the
C.
second one. I'll do now.
So is that the second one, or
Yeah.
Yeah, it must be then. Hopefully this
Hey,
question doesn't.
what? I got the exact same for the second one.
What?
BC, yeah, so BC is timed together, then
Yeah.
A plus.
Plus.
Make it look a plus, not a T.
Yeah, because if you get AB plus C multiply, that means there's a bracket for AB plus
Yeah.
because it's reverse Polish.
State one reason why reverse position is needed.
Yeah, so it don't need any brackets.
No need for brackets, or only ambiguous. Yes, I can't say that word.
Ambiguity.
Let's go to the next question. How many questions left? Oh, it's still quite a couple. Explain the need for registers.
We've done this one, did we?
Oh, okay, I need to rewatch my stack videos because that's confusing me.
Alright, so
Registers,
8A.
yeah.
Explain the need for registers.
It's a temporary
Wait.
storage.
Wait, what was I? Sorry.
II only ambiguity.
No, but
or,
what's the question?
the question was state one reason why reverse Polish
Oh,
notation
okay,
is
yeah.
needed.
Does anyone know what ambiguity is? I don't actually know what that
It's
means.
that's
I don't know what that means.
so unambiguous. So you know, like it's not.
Ambiguous.
I don't know. Yeah.
Yeah, we knew what was that. Ambiguous. Oh,
I could just do the.
don't worry, I'm on it.
Okay, you can be the Googler.
Joe to the rescue. Oh crap. Okay. Anyway, continue.
Yeah, so explain the need for register.
It's a temporary storage.
So temp storage.
Open to more than one interpretation, not having a clear, obvious meaning. Is what it means.
So ambiguity, that is.
Yeah. Oh, sorry, that was ambiguous. Oh, okay, sorry. I had to
Yeah.
Google.
Yeah, so temporary storage so the need for register is that is temporary storage holds certain value or data.
Special purpose.
A particular
Okay.
purpose.
Yeah.
The quality of being open to one or more interpretation. Yeah, it's the same thing. Okay.
Okay then, so that is what ambiguity means.
The more you know, guys. Then it's the start of it. Anyway, let's move on. Okay, register. I'd say it stores data in the CPU.
Yes, location in CPU.
Yeah, location in CPU.
I remember you said that on other video.
Yeah.
Location and processor instead.
So CPU and processor are the same thing, but yeah.
That's 3 marks. Also,
Yeah, that's
Oh,
how
you've already said
that's
stuff.
3 points.
yeah, we said temporary storage, particular purpose, and location in processor.
Yeah, well done.
Wow, that's a blank page. 3. Provide fast access to data for a specific purpose.
Yeah.
Uses the fetch execute cycle when frequently accessed if needed. Used for temporary storage. So,
We've got 2 marks there.
yeah.
I
I
remember
was-
in the other one it says location in process.
Yeah, it did.
Yeah.
Yeah, might be thinking, explain what is, not the need.
Oh right.
Because the question before was like,
yeah,
explain
yeah.
what a register is,
Yeah.
and this is to explain the need.
Yeah.
Okay.
There's still some overlap though, so that's good.
Yeah, still some overlap.
It's OCR.
Oh god.
A program is
Okay.
written in assembly language. The program includes the instructions add 25, jump 46. Explain the purpose of the accumulator when a program is being processed. Explain the purpose. Hold the current address. Maybe.
Does that have anything to do with input and outputs?
Maybe.
I think that's what's the accumulator for, inputs and outputs.
Joe, you're not cheating, are you?
No. Why?
Yeah, it's just because
Jamie.
you were typing. So I was just like,
I'm not cheating. I'm looking it up, but I'm not gonna use it to answer the question. It's just because I don't know what the accumulator actually does.
I know.
So I'm gonna see if my notes actually have it.
It's
Yeah,
a
probably wouldn't-
register, so it's like temporary storage as well.
Temporary storage.
Yeah, it is
Yeah, it's a register as well.
temporary held in the ALU. Sorry, spoilers.
Alright. Let's reveal the answer then, yeah?
Yeah.
Temporary storage in ALU. Holds data being processed or used during calculations. Deals with input and output in the processor. So
Oh,
don't just say input and output, just say in the processor as well.
Yeah. Still does. Good job.
How many mark? Right, so while the program is running, this jump instruction is stored at address 123. Explain which 3 values are held in the program counter in turn while processing this jump instruction. Anyone have any idea at all?
None of my notes have anything about the input and outputs of the accumulator. Shame. Sorry.
Free-
Current
Explain
address
which 3 values are held in the program counter.
PC holds the address.
of the current instruction, so it's 1, 2, 3,
Yeah.
and then it increments by 1, so it's 1, 2, 4. because 123 is passed to MAR, so it's incremental by 1. So 124.
What was that? Did you say?
124.
Then you said something about the MAR maybe or
Yeah,
something.
the address 123 is passed to MAR.
MAR, yeah.
Yeah. And then move up a bit.
Yeah, I've been out of there.
No, move up the question.
What do you mean?
Move up to the previous one. Here's
Oh.
instructions. Yeah.
Zoom out.
Yeah, it says jump to 46.
Yeah,
So it would jump to address location 46.
Oh, is that the jump instruction?
yeah.
So that's 1, 2, 3, 4 marks.
Let's see what the Markscheme says.
Yeah.
Before hold 123, as this is the address of the next instruction.
Yeah.
During it changes to 124 as the PC is incremented.
Oh.
That's 3 marks.
Then changes to 46 as this is the operand. Accept 125 in place of 124 if explained.
Or I think it's probably like after 1, 2, 3 is 1, 2, 5 of the next instruction.
Yeah, so
It's changed. There's only 6 bullet points for 6 marks.
Yeah.
yeah, very strict.
Very tiny, yeah.
Right, so the next question is on entity relationships.
Oh, God, love me some of these. So I'm actually prepared for them.
The museum has a permanent display, but also runs a program or special events. People may pay an annual fee to become friends of the museum. Friends can attend events, which they must book in advance. This and other data about the museum is stored in a relational database. Part of the entity relationship diagram is shown. So friends, state the type of relationship between friends and ticket. So that is a
one-to-many.
Yep, one-to-many. Let's feel the one to many. Yeah, correct answer only.
Yeah. You can't really be putting like many to one. Like, it would be incorrect.
Yeah. Or you can't just say single to loads.
Yeah.
That'd be the. So explain the use of primary and foreign key in friend and ticket.
Okay. Well, both will have a primary key, won't they?
I think so.
Yeah, both have a primary key. Foreign key will be used to create a relationship between friend and ticket.
I think it's more of a link.
You can say
relationship.
link relationship. Same thing. You can. It always says link / relationship. So you can say either one. I'm guessing the foreign key will be used in ticket.
Ticket.
Ticket, yeah.
Examples?
Yeah, maybe. You might want to give an example, yeah. And an example would be maybe friend ID or member ID.
Yeah, or like friend name, yeah. Okay, we want to try and do one more point. You wouldn't like say that foreign key is like you wouldn't give kind of definitions, would you? There'd be no point.
You might actually want to give a definition.
Yeah, 'cause I do think that sometimes give marks though. So you could say like primary key is a unique identifier. Sorry.
Unique ID.
Foreign key is don't remember.
F key just creates a link.
Yeah, it's like secondary primary key. But yeah.
I need to stop because I keep referencing F key, so I better not do that in the exam. F key create link.
Yeah, we need to remember that how we structure it here is going to be different from our exam. We need to be more.
Yeah, this is just notes from what we said.
Yeah.
Let's see. So, maximum of 2 for each type of
So
key.
you do have
Must use
marks
answer in example.
So you do get a mark for unique identifier.
So unique identifier. So friend number in friend. So that could be friend ID as well.
Oh, attribute. That's a key word they always bring up.
In ticket may use composite key, as ticket is a link entity. So secondary key. Well, or foreign key actually. So use
composite key is.
Example for foreign key must be friend ID in ticket. Yeah. Foreign key. Primary key from friend is an attribute in ticket to link the tables or represent the relationship. Friend key is at many ends of the relationship. Yeah. Right. Let's do this one.
Oh wait, yeah. Thought you missed that for a second.
Yeah, I'm not skipping over it. Let's see. I'm just going to scroll. Oh, keep forgetting. I keep selecting the text, so I keep going down the text. So when the relationship was being when the database was being designed, an initial version of a diagram showed a direct relationship between friend and event. Draw the initial. So we've got to draw the relationship between friend and event only. So that's be a many to many.
Yeah.
So they just want a many to many.
A friend can have many events, and an event can have many friends. It's only one marking, right? But...
Yeah, because they want it to say draw the initial diagram.
Yeah. Oh yeah, and then it added in a
Because at the start they said they had it in the third normalised.
Ticket's the bridge. Ticket is the bridge.
Yeah. Let's have a look then. So yeah, they wanted many to many.
Perfection.
Explain why ticket was inserted. And we said that it was to create the
third normal form.
Yes. So mention third normalised form. So it creates one-to-many relationship as a link table. It makes it third normalised form, reduces data inconsistencies, and then something else you could have said. So many to many relationship is not allowed in third normalised form. Causes duplication of data, which causes the errors. Oh, how about databases?
That's actually a tip. Like why ticket is inserted. If it's not many to many, then there's no point insert ticket.
Yeah, there's no point because it creates the link, avoids the data inconsistencies by the data.
So just know it's going to be a many to many.
Yeah.
Right. Next question about databases.
Cool. Sorry.
So, describe the purpose of the languages. DDL, so it's a data description language. It's already defined, like DDL is what it says, what it's in the question itself.
So that means you can use abbreviations as well, which is awesome.
Yeah.
That creates tables, doesn't it? It like adds tables, deletes tables.
Yeah, it just creates stuff, so symbol tables. Maybe? No,
also,
I'm thinking of electrical analysis. Damn it.
Yeah, it creates tables, I think. And then it also deletes them, edits them, modifies them. I think there's each point on its own.
No, don't. In it modified in DDL.
That's what we're going over.
No, modified in DML mean? Data manipulation. It changes stuff. Create table, you can add data within the DDL, so this is DDL.
Which one are we doing? DML or DDL?
We are doing DDL
DDL.
at the moment. We're doing this one. So it creates a table, you can add data, I guess, to it.
Describes. No, add data is DML, is it?
Oh yeah. I keep forgetting
DML
that.
is something to do with the data, like add.
Remember, DML has validation, doesn't it?
Is that DDL, did you say?
DDL, yeah, sorry for that one. DDL. Wait, what did you use for remove?
Add data, because it doesn't add data.
No, it doesn't.
DDL creates tables and
Yeah.
creates primary key as well.
You can also delete tables as well, but I think that add tables cover it.
So I think when you define something, don't you, within it?
Define
Yeah.
What would you
Nice.
define?
Oh no, it's to find a purpose.
And primary key.
So
Like whenever you create a table, you have to define a primary key.
Wait, why are you saying what? That's not the purpose of the language, is it?
yeah, it's 3 marks, so
Yeah,
it's
yeah,
good just to add loads of stuff.
Create table.
Do they remove marks if you put too much?
Don't think so, no. It shouldn't do. If they do, then that'd be...
It's a do I'm doomed. I'm getting a huge death off. I'm always going to put everything I know. Anyway, sorry. That's my ramblings.
Right. So what else would they have?
So
So DDL this is.
it's part of the. Oh, I not everybody said that. Cannot be manipulated. What is
Maybe.
the purpose of it though? Have you mentioned like validation checks?
No.
Should put that.
It doesn't have a validation check.
Yeah, it does. Because it creates tables, so therefore the table has to have like information in it, you know.
Or
So it has to have validation checks. Okay, do you wanna check that then?
Yes. Wow, that has gone to... to what, a schema?
Oh yeah, what is the schema?
I have no idea. Do you want to find that
To
out?
Google.
Describe data, items to be shared, to be stored even, and the relationships between them. So that'd be like primary key maybe, but they do want it to be word for word, so keyword bingo. Create table, so we've got that mark. Define primary and foreign keys, so that's a separate mark then. Define validation rules, not validation checks. Define validation rules.
It doesn't say CAO though.
But still,
Yeah, but oh my gosh, because before you were about to answer, I looked at that A2 resource I put on Skype.
yeah.
I quickly put find DDL, and half of that isn't even on what the freaking resource says. So how am I meant to freaking get it right when the damn resources?
Only
don't
3
have that
questions left.
information? Okay, wait, I'm looking up schema, aren't I?
Yes. Let's get your tab.
Schema. A representation of a plan or theory in form of an outline or model. Or a silo-esque figure. What the flip? I know I do, I'll put it into the thingy.
no idea.
Here we are, this will help me find it. Oh, it's a database design produced by the DDL.
Is it what?
It's a database design produced by the DDL.
Okay. Let's do something.
Now then, so describe the purpose of the language DML.
Database manipulation language. That
Changes data. Well, add data.
Yeah, update, change data, delete.
Some other stuff as well. I remember there was a table once where you'd there was DLA and DML.
Yes. That was in a
Uh,
previous. That was in June 2011, I believe.
Yeah.
So change data, move data.
Change update. No update is change.
Yeah.
Well, I'm not sure. I just looked at that resource and there's only 2 points, so I wouldn't even been able to get 3 marks.
Should we just reveal the answer?
Yeah.
To access query and sort data. So a way of ordering, to sort or insert data, to change, update or delete data. So to sort data, to sort or search data. So sort data, insert new data, and delete data. That will get you 3 points.
Do you want to know what the 2 points on this revision guide were?
What?
Simply just says, allows data to be manipulated. Users of the database have different rights. Doesn't even appear. You know something's wrong when the revision guide doesn't even help you.
Explain the term data dictionaries. Well, data dictionary. I know it's like it describes a database.
Definitely does something. I don't know this one, sadly.
Yeah.
Wait, dictionary is subroutines that you can be used, is it?
It describes a database. Like a
describe the database. Okay.
describes the database. It has like references, so it might reference like the primary keys as well used.
It describes the data type.
Maybe just note it down. No, I'm trying to think back to the video.
Primary keys.
Are you looking at the revision guide as well, or?
Well, me?
Yes.
Oh no, well, yeah, I already have.
Let's reveal the answer to explain. Have you got anything to add to explain the term data dictionary?
Well, if I added anything, I'd be cheating, so.
We can compare it though against what the Markscheme says to include.
Okay.
So let's have a look. So in the Markscheme, an explanation: a file containing descriptions of data in a database, stored in tables as a relationship database, uses metadata, used by database managers, used when altering database structure. Oh, so they wanted an example as well.
Yeah.
Name of table. Oh, this is the big long one. Data characteristics, relationship data between data.
Wait. That's 5 marks. Oh, it means both of them. It's not just 3.
Yes, 5 marks.
Yeah. So,
Yeah,
okay. So the example was the bomb. Yeah, the examples. Okay.
Yeah,
So
example was 3 marks.
don't look at them. Don't look at them.
Yeah, don't look at them. You did not see them.
That one's completely different than what I had on my freaking. Oh my god.
They really needed to put a line there because it's a different question.
Yeah, but in the Markscheme, the examiners aren't often going. Wait, like don't look at the previous question, are they?
Yeah, but still.
Yes. You're more sympathetic to us. By not putting stuff that isn't even the fucking
Yeah,
revision guides.
So the examples would be that it stores the names of tables, data characteristics, relationship between data, access rights for the people or the actual programs themselves, identifies primary keys, so we did actually mention primary keys here, and foreign keys, but we didn't say anything data type described. That isn't anything there. That's the end of the paper.
Well, that goes well.
Yes. So when are you going to be doing this paper?
Probably tomorrow.
Yeah.
Just like forget everything and do it. Okay.
Wow, this has actually been the longest stream.
And it's still not been 2 hours. We still have 2 minutes to check over our work.
Yes.
Oh, nice.
Well, we did have a bit of waiting around.
Yeah.
Yeah. Wow. So, oh, jeez. I bet you I'm probably not even gonna finish in time somehow. It always happens with me.
Yeah, let's end the stream. Who wants to
Yeah.
say
Oh.
goodbye?
Hey, goodbyes, people. Hope we enjoyed you.
Yep. Good luck on your exams.
Oh, yeah.
Well, exam. Not
Yeah, 'cause this is
exams.
last stream, so
Yeah,
best
last
luck,
stream.
everyone. And
Who is it?
see you later. It's been a pleasure.
Oh, wait, someone's asked.
What is metadata?
Yeah. And that is. I think it's like the configs, maybe. So,
Yeah,
like,
don't worry.
metadata,
Google.
so like the properties of the file.
Don't worry, baby. I'm on this. I'm googling it right now.
Okay, you Google it. That's what I think it is.
This is my job. I'm the
A
Googler.
set of data describes and gives
Okay,
information.
metadata. Metadata is data that describes other data. Meta is a prefix that in most information... Oh god, it's such a big description. Okay, here we are. Metadata is some data which can make it easier, making a particular instance of data much easier. That's the definition.
Oh, hello,
Hope that
Lewis.
helped.
Hello.
Hello.
The stream is now over.
Yeah, I just saw the last few minutes of it.
Was it utterly entertaining and
Yeah.
gripping?
Oh god, I hate this exam.
Oh god, yeah, I know.
No matter how much I look over it, you do the same question in a different paper, and the mark scheme is completely different.
Yeah.
Yep.
And like you can learn all the theory, and just the mark scheme will be completely different than what you've been reading. You know.
It's horrible. I don't know how this exam
Oh,
can go.
on this mark scheme, the freaking my revision data doesn't even have the damn answers. That's what
Yeah,
you're meant to use
because-
for
yeah,
a revision guide.
Yeah, exactly.
Anyway, this is depressing. So good luck, everyone.
Okay, bye bye.
Yeah.
Good luck.
Good luck.
Let's stop the stream.